You probably have a lot of our products in your pocket, in your car, in your home, without you knowing it. You will not see a ST name behind this. You will probably see big brands that everybody knows.
When you play in the semiconductor industry, you need to be recognized as innovative. Building a chip is extremely complicated, from design to production. Supply chain is very complicated because we have close to 13,000 final products and we have hundreds of thousands of customers around the world. The demand of semiconductor is increasing a lot.
The challenge we have to solve is reducing inventory, reducing waste, and at the same time enhance the service to our customers. And that's why we use Microsoft Azure. This data gives us a visibility on 24 months on where we see the demand going, which market we want to serve. We are working together with SAP and with Microsoft on this supply chain transformation. Now we are exploring other fields where we can take advantage of the intrinsic value of the cloud in design. We have decided to move a portion of our CAD in the cloud with Microsoft Azure.
The processing power is one of the most important things. We can run more jobs, more tasks in parallel. We reduce the time to market by the increasing of the efficiency, the increasing of the quality of the product that we release.
We are growing a lot and very quickly. Our on-premise farms are limited in terms of capacity, while the cloud is not.
It's impossible to do without being at the edge of digitalization because of the mass of data you have to handle.
We found the right partner in Microsoft. Azure gives us the flexibility, gives us the scalability that we need in order to accelerate the design phase of new product. So it's a real use case that is impacting our operating model.
The cloud helps us to improve the product quality. We reduced the risk of a delay on the delivery of the product.
Thanks to Microsoft Teams and Power Platforms, we are able to communicate, to engage our people at scale. Digitalization is extremely important in the sense that if we do things more efficiently, quicker, we consume less resources, we are better and more efficient. Our goal is to be able to serve our customers at the highest standard possible. Matching supply and demand, reducing time to market is impossible without partners like Microsoft.